Hi guys, this is a video for all of you out there that have ever been in a place that I'm going to describe right now. This is actually something that I've experienced multiple times and have finally been able to overcome. And I really want to share how I overcame this with you, so you can learn from my mistakes and not have to struggle any longer, because we're all in this together. We're all in this world together. We're all in every aspect of our lives. There's somebody else out there who it has struggled with the same thing. So we're here as resources for each other, and that's what I want you to understand, and I am a resource for this issue. So anyway, I have always been someone to get into like health and fitness and eating right, just on a health kick. You see or hear about other people getting on health kicks, and then next thing you know, they're eating a Twinkie. Like, who knows? Actually, I don't even think they make those anymore. But anyway, it's the same idea. You're like on a health kick, and then in the snap of a finger, you feel like you're just going downhill again, or it feels like the snap of a finger. Really, it's like a progression. But anyway, yeah. So like in the past, I was running like 5 miles a day. I was lifting weights like five days a week, and I was eating super, super healthy. I was at like one of my healthiest like physical, I don't know, like one of my healthiest points physically in my life ever. And then, so I did that for like an entire summer, and then I came back to school and everything went downhill. So it was like, just because something in my schedule had changed, or just because I had lost a little bit of motivation, or I was burnt out from doing what I was doing every day, it went downhill. My motivation went downhill. Everything went downhill. And yeah, I had people I could talk to about it if I really wanted to, but that's like an awkward situation, like just reaching out to your friends and family and saying, hey, like I have no more motivation anymore. I might have been the one to inspire you all summer long, but now I need you to inspire me. And that's a very awkward topic, especially when you feel like you are that person for other people to go to. Putting yourself in that vulnerable position and asking them for help too is kind of a crummy feeling, and something that we're not always comfortable with, and that's definitely where I was. And then I just continued to spiral downward from there until I got to a point where I was just like, no motivation. I was lucky if I worked out like once or twice a week, and it was I just felt awful. I felt so awful, and I just kept reminiscing on like feeling great and that time that I had spent feeling great, but I wasn't doing anything about it. And it wasn't until I found like a little motivation group and community to become a part of that I was actually able to start spiraling back upward again. And so that's what I have created here for all of you as well. And I wanted you to know that this is available for you. So every month I run these challenge groups. The main challenge being like allowing yourself to take that leap of faith and really just putting yourself out there and becoming a part of the group. That is the biggest challenge that I have for you, is just joining this group. From there, once you're added to the group, you are part of a community. No one person is better than any of the others. No one person is necessarily the leader of the group. While I host it, you all are leaders of this group. And it's a community where you can talk to others about your health and fitness goals, talk to them about their health and fitness goals, and inspire each other. So each day when you work out, or each day you make a meal that you're super proud of that's healthy, just anything you're proud of, any of those little steps, no matter how little they may seem, they all add up. And you'll begin to see that every little post that you post starts a ripple effect, and it will inspire other people. Then when other people are inspired by that and do these other actions that they're proud of, they'll post those too, and then it cycles back around, and it's just a continuous cycle and flow of awesomeness and motivation, and it's absolutely amazing. And that is what definitely helped me get through my 60-day program. I don't know if you've seen my transformation pictures yet, but pop on my either my like page or my profile page and check out that 60-day transformation that I posted on there. And yeah, that's what definitely helped get me through. No, I wasn't perfect all the time, but I also never gave up. I did every single workout on that throughout that program. I never, even if I had one day where I had some cheat meals, like meals that I knew that they weren't going to help me achieve my goals, but I still wanted them. The next day, I would get back up and do it all over again, but better. And I didn't let myself get trapped in that negative path, like, oh, I already messed up everything. I might as well just give up now. No, I didn't give up. Even those days where I wasn't perfect, or maybe I skipped a workout, I get up the next day, and you know what? I'd make up for it. I would eat right, and I would do 2 workouts. So I'd do the workout that I missed from the day before, and I would do that other workout, because I had that group there sharing their workouts and sharing their results, and I knew I wanted to get those results. I wanted to get like my results from this program. I wanted to help inspire them too. So any days that they were feeling crummy about, and any days they were considering giving up, they could look at me and say, hey, she didn't give up. Now I'm not going to give up either. And it really is. It's a ripple effect. It's a complete cycle and system of people, of an amazing community. And so I am offering 2 of those to anyone who wishes to join me this month. And so if you want more information on what those 2 different groups will look like, please comment below, message me, email, whatever is easiest for you. And I would love for you all to be a part of it, because the more people and the more involvement we get in this, the easier it is to create that system, create that wheel, and keep us all reaching our goals. Okay, that's that. But yeah, please message me if you're interested in this at all. And have a great Wednesday.